Hey everyone! If you're planning to launch your website or online store and want fast, secure, and affordable web hosting, you're in the right place. I've done the research so you don't have to. And yes, the best deals are waiting for you right now. All the links are in the description below. Let's dive in. Let's start with Hostinger's web hosting. Perfect for beginners, bloggers, and small businesses. Premium web hosting starts at just $2.99 per month for 48 months. You can host up to 100 websites, get 25 gigabytes SSD storage, a free domain for 1 year, free SSL, email, backups, and 24/7 support. It renews at $10.99 per month, but this intro deal is hard to beat. Need more power? Go for business web hosting at $3.79 per month. You get 100 gigabytes SSD, daily backups, free CDN, and AI tools for WordPress and SEO. All of this and more is linked for you in the description. Click and explore anytime. Next up, Hostinger's AI Website Builder. This one's for you if you want to build a site without coding. Just drag, drop, and publish. Features include AI website and content builder, free logo maker, e-commerce ready tools, free domain, and mobile optimized designs. All of that is available starting at just $2.99 per month. Whether you're building a blog, store, or portfolio, this is the easiest and fastest way to go live. Want to try it? The link's in the description. You'll thank yourself later. Need more control and performance? Hostinger's VPS hosting starts at just $4.99 per month. It's unmanaged but perfect for developers or tech-savvy users. With the starter plan, you get 1 vCPU, 4 gigabytes RAM, 50 gigabytes NVMe SSD, full root access, and IPv6 support. You can scale up as needed, and Hostinger includes AI Assistant Code to help with server-side tasks. It's ideal for apps, high-traffic websites, or resellers. Check out the VPS plans using the link below. Want to grab your domain now? With Hostinger.com domains start at $9.99 per year. Others like .online or .store can go as low as 99 cents. Most include free privacy protection. And if you buy a hosting or builder plan for 1 year, you get the domain free. Just type your brand name into the search bar and lock your domain today. Links ready for you in the description. Ready to get started? Click the first link in the description to unlock up to 75% off your hosting and grab a free domain. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone. Like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next smart tech deal. Let's build something amazing together.